That was the dream?
And it was going after my glasses.
You actually had a dream about lightning?
Yeah, because I heard it in my sleep.
Oh.
It woke me up once too.
Oh, here comes the rain.
Oh yeah.
Again?
It's starting over there, and then it's coming this way?
Yeah, you can hear it.
Or is that the wind?
No, that's the rain.
Starting to rain.
Ooh, big old drops.
Hail.
Fire in the area.
I'm in the area.
Big old drops. Here it comes.
It should rain hail or something.
All right, you ready to
Get
go?
out of the water.
Ready to go fly your plane?
You better put a rain suit on it.
It's really pouring rain.
Yeah.
Should probably get out of the rain.
This is great.
Such a weird weather.
I know.
Oh, they better get inside.
No, we're not
stay in
gonna
the
die.
No, they better.
Oh.
I just stay in the car.
So is everybody enjoying the show?
Yeah, it's nice and cool.
Yeah. I am. I think this is wonderful. I always love the rain and the thunder and the lightning and stuff.
Smoke's good. Let me go check my garage.